So hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. So I wanted to come on and show you guys my first two beach themed baskets that I made. I was planning to do one of them on screen with you guys, but I'm glad that I didn't because it turned out to be a little more complicated than I thought it would be. So I went ahead and put these together. And now I'm going to show you guys what I included in these. So as you can see, I did a small one and I did a large one over here. Let me show you what I included in the small one. Of course, you guys, if you've been watching my videos, you should remember these little totes that I got from Walmart earlier this week or last week. I can't remember which. Is running all together, you guys. But if you remember, I went to Walmart and got these bags included in my purse haul that I got. So that's the foundation for this basket. So it came with like a bubble insert in there to keep it level, whatever, or to keep it, you know, fluffed out. And what I did for the foundation for this, because as you can see, it's clear. I used the bubble little insert that was already in there, and then on top of it I added some old shrink wrap that, you know, of course, from a basket that I had taken a loose, so I had some extra shrink wrap like this right here. I just, you know, crumbled it up and made it my foundation for my gift basket. Okay, so in the back of this, there's nothing behind these. I just use the slippers as my backer for my basket. And I know you guys know where these came from. These are Dollar Tree slippers. And this little pouch right here also came from Walmart, when I got this right here. And I got several different ones. This one says beach on it. And I put inside of it just some little Jolly Rancher gummies just for a snack, you know, while they're on vacation. I also included some of these bath confetti little things that we got from Dollar General when they had the, was it the after Christmas or after Valentine's? I think it was Valentine's. The after Valentine's sale. That's when I got those. I got a good number of those, so I'm trying to get rid of some of those. On this side, I included a hairbrush and some hair clips. Then I included some of these lip balms that I got from Pop Shelf yesterday. I just split it out of the pack and used one of these little tropical lip balms. Of course, here's some Dove cream, some eyelashes, a body spray, and this mug or a tumbler that we got from the Dollar Tree. Then in front of here, of course, I put some sunglasses. I got these sunglasses from Temu, and that is the finished concept of this basket. On the front of this basket, I also included one of my little Mother's Day stickers, just to kind of give it a little Mother's Day thing. So on this basket right here, this is my larger basket. I use one of the big buckets from Dollar Tree. And then in the back, as my backer or foundation, I use this beach towel. This is a round beach towel that I got from Dollar General. And so that is all the way in the back there. Then I included some slippers, one of the hats that I got from Walmart. And then I put this tote in the box, and I used a different one of the little makeup bags in the inside. So in the inside of this, I put some wipes. Oh, and I did put some wipes in the back, way back there, and stuck them in the slippers. But I put some wipes here. This is a cute little brush, y'all. I thought this brush was so cute. I think I got this brush from Kohl's. I got that brush from Kohl's a while back. And I included in here some lashes, a little bar of soap, another one of the little bath confettis, some of the pina colada drink mix. I had bought these to go in a different basket, and I still had it, so I put that in there. I put some hair clips in here, and then of course one of the tumblers from Dollar Tree. This is the pineapple body lotion that I got from Pop Shelf. I had some of these from Dollar General, some of the little bug wand things you put on your wrist. And I put that in there. And then I put this little bath puff in there that includes the little bath bombs. I put some body spray in here. This is a lip balm and some sunglasses in here. So I think both of these turned out really, really nice. And then I just did the video showing you guys these little labels that I made for the candle. Well, I went ahead and put that label on the front of this little tote, just to kind of give it a little Mother's Day look. And you guys, I think both of these baskets turned out really, really nice. I am pleased with both of these. So I do have one more of these in white. And I'm not sure if I'm going to do just a small, simple one, or if I'm going to go ahead and do another large one like this. Because I do have some more towels, as well as I have some of the little, what do you call them, beach mats as well. But they're really, really tall, so I'm going to have to figure out how to get that in there. But anyway, I just wanted to come and show you guys these two different beach themed gift baskets that I am doing for Mother's Day. I think they both turned out really, really nice. Oh, let me tell you about the hat. So you guys, for the hat, to make sure that this didn't smush, I did stuff it with some filler paper, just to make sure that once I wrapped it up and, you know, it kind of went in, it wouldn't smush the hat. So I did fill that the inside of the hat with filler paper, just to make sure that it didn't smush that. So, and I did cut off these little the little hooks for those, because I thought, you know, it would look more professional if I cut the hook off. So I cut the hooks off both of the little slippers. So anyway, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Leave me a comment and let me know what you think about my gift baskets. I'm going to go ahead and finish wrapping these up. I don't think I'm going to put any shred in this one right here. I think I'm going to put yellow shred in this, because kind of my colors for this basket is the teal, green, and yellow. And so I'm going to fill it. As you can see, I put the yellow paper in there. So I'm going to fill it with yellow shred, and then I'll be done with both of these baskets. I'm going to wrap them up and go on to the next thing. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys on the next video. Bye, guys.